Looking for the best cast iron fajita pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cast iron fajita pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Old Mountain Fajita Plate Set, Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Fajita Pan with Wooden Tray and Hot Mitt. Pros: this pan comes pre-seasoned and the pan itself is high quality, made of heavy-duty cast iron. It distributes and retains heat well, keeping food hot from oven or grill to table. Cons: the wooden base is not as high quality as the pan itself, and some users received broken bases or had their bases break after light use. Bottom line: a good quality cast iron fajita pan set with a wooden base and handle holder. At number 2. Winco ISP3 Cast Iron Steak Platter. Pros: the detachable handle allows you to heat and use the platter separately. The generously grooved surface helps put sear marks when used for cooking. Simple, discreetly branded pan and wood platter. Cons: despite being labeled machine washable, putting cast iron in a dishwasher is not recommended. Bottom line: a solid seasoned cast iron skillet set from a restaurant supplier. At number 1. Happy Sales HSS DBSP2 Cast Iron Steak Plate Set Medium. Pros: with a larger cooking and serving surface than most of its competitors, this pan set wins points for being able to hold larger portions. The removable handle is also appreciated for reducing risk of burns when using as a food warmer. Cons: it's expensive and some find the removable handle to be a bit flimsy. Bottom line: a premium sizzling fajita pan set with a wooden base and removable handle. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.